My honey bunny. Emily, there are so many words I could put here about how much I love you and all the amazing work you have done to bring everyone together and to make everyone feel special and a part of our day.
Everything is elegant, colourful and porcelain. We'll never feel this way again.
I don't know what our future will hold for us, but I'm sure about one thing: having you by my side and I by yours, our life will be amazing.
Beautiful and innocent.
I couldn't dream of doing life with anyone else. I love you, your soon-to-be husband, Philip.
For you I'd fight and fall. For you I'd fight and fall. For you I'd fight and fall.
Philip, I remember the exact moment that I started falling in love with you. It was on one of our first dates, and you were teaching me how to drive manual. I stalled pretty badly, and you laughed. And in that moment, it made me realise that that laugh was one I wanted to hear for every day of my life.
Everything feels new again. Muted tones and violin. I'll never look this way again. Never look this way again. Darling, you look delicate. Face it, I just can't forget. I wanna feel this way again. I wanna feel this way again. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. Oh, oh, oh. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. Oh, oh, oh. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall. Oh, oh, oh. For you I fight and fall. For you I fight and fall.
Emily, when our way becomes difficult, I promise to stand by you and uplift you, so that through our union we can accomplish more than we could alone. I promise to forever work at our love and always make you a priority in my life. With every beat of my heart, I will love you.
Again, we welcome you to the wedding of Emily and Philip. It's wonderful that you are here. If you want to cry, cry. We're here as humans, celebrating a great occasion. Emily and Philip, you're at the beginning of another journey. Today you begin your journey as husband and wife.
Philip, I promise to be the woman that you inspire me to be and the woman that you deserve, to make sure we are constantly working to grow together, to get my manual license soon, and finally, I promise to spend every day I have left on this earth showering you with endless love and making you laugh.
From hello, what's your name? To I'll know I'll never be the same. Oh, you've been changing me.
Now, who would have thought that when Emily and Philip were introduced to each other, not once but 3 times, at a mayoress ball a little while ago, and they arranged to have Philip give Emily lessons in how to drive a manual car, something she still hasn't achieved, I believe.
Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. Two crazy fools, 2 left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my
The most precious thing that you have in your life is your children. In giving away today to Mary, you is the most precious things. The best part of it is that it's the most right person that we gave the hand to.